Side shuffle. Pop a little bit, guys. Popping on these. Good. Okay, hop on one foot. Smooth, guys. This is smooth. Touch and go. Lean into it. Lean into it. Think about jumping rope, traveling forward on one foot. Good, and then just one set of partner hand walk. Make sure your abs are locked. Get somebody your size, roundabout. Probably Maz go with Jakey Nace. Abs tight. Just go down, partner comes back. Stomach tight, hands are light on the floor. We'll get you on the way back, Kyle. Abs tight. Connor, you take Kyle after this, all right, buddy? Abs tight, abs tight. Nice, Mikey. Good, light on the hands. Stomach tight, Jakey. Here you go, Blaze.